Mid-February generally means ice fishing, but with this year's early ice off, Utah anglers are taking advantage of the open water fishing on Utah Lake. Warm springs near Lincoln Beach Park seem to draw many species of sport fish into the shallow water in droves. Although the big natural lake is only about half full and several launch ramps remain closed, anglers will find a way to fish. This early fishing generally consists of white bass and pre-spawn walleye, but this year there seems to be a good northern pike bite going on as well. The Utah Department of Wildlife Resources believes that the northerns were illegally introduced and their populations have exploded with favorable water conditions. Their biggest concern seems to be that the pike will decimate the June sucker populations. June suckers are on the rare and endangered list, and state and federal governments are spending millions to restore their populations. The delicious walleye being caught by knowledgeable anglers have not yet begun to spawn. In the days ahead, fishermen will flock to this end of the lake to pursue walleye. Anglers with boats are hoping that lake levels rise enough to launch at Lincoln Beach, or that the launch jetty area can be cleaned of obstacles impeding boat traffic. Anglers are now targeting the northerns, but in spite of a mandatory kill regulation and large limits, it's doubtful that fishermen will play a major role in limiting the northerns. Beyond the walleye, northerns, and the prolific white bass being caught in large numbers, the channel cats are also being caught. These early catfish are tough fighters and excellent table fare. If you're suffering from cabin fever, Utah Lake and the excellent fishery now being experienced might be the remedy. Good luck, good fishing.